Hello everybody, and welcome to another training video from Day Trading Forex Live. This is Chad, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you this entry I took yesterday right before I went to bed. It actually panned out pretty darn good so far anyway, and what I'm waiting for to move my stop above this level right here is to go ahead and see the close below these lows. That's going to be a good enough signal that it's definitely got more downside to it. Let's go ahead and we'll break down the entry. Now when it started actually making this push to the upside, uh, that made me think that there was a deeper pullback in mind, and sure enough there was. Now adding what we got going for the trade, actually why I took the short is that we have this push here, and these are intraday pushes. We have this push here, and then the third one right here. Okay, now I guess let me delete these really quick and do them in a different color. Turn these things black. Okay, once we got the three intraday pushes to the upside, then we're starting to get some confluence for the short. Now when I look back and I saw that there's really no levels that it's testing back in here, I'm considering that we got the hourly close below showing conviction, and we get the three pushes to the upside. So we got two things with going for confluence, and now we start to see the candle patterns. All right, we get the pin to the high right here. Now at this point I saw this candle, I let this candle go by. This one was my entry. I took it about a minute after this candle started on this little push up. Once it was starting to get a little bit rejected there, I took it, and I just checked what my risk was, and my 20 pip stop is going to be well above these highs. So the risk was fairly good. If it ended up making a close above these highs, I more than likely would have just closed it out, as it probably had another intraday push. The short-term intraday pushes can have are more likely to see extended pushes, as far as seeing 4, maybe 5 sometimes. Anyway, took my order, put in my stop. I put in a take profit down here at 50 pips that I've removed right now, and it almost came down and hit me, and only a few more pips I would have had to almost break those lows in order to get my profit target. But at this point, with this nice push down, and if we can get the close below this level, we're looking at a definite first push down. That this being a first push down from the highs. It's got a nice run, 95 pips, qualifies close below a significant level, so that qualifies as a decent first push down. At this point, I'm expecting the second push to get down into this area here, and we'll think about taking, hopefully we can break that 4-hour 200 EMA, test these lows, and if I have to leave the computer, that's where I'm going to be setting my take profit. And especially if we can get this close below this last candle here, then I'll move my stop, protect at least 20 pips or so up above this level, and we'll let her go. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this. I'll start it back up when something clear happens, and we'll finish out this trade. Okay, we're back, and we just got our hourly close below the level. You see I've moved my stop and thrown in take profit, but at this point we're coming up on a daily support level at the 128.91 level, and that's 3 days of where market stopped it and made it next pushed up. We do have a 90 pip move from the highs at this point, so now we got 2 pushes down, and we may be in for somewhat of a reversal. So if we do get some trapping formations, then I'm going to go ahead and close this trade. So we'll just wait it out and see, and we'll be back when anything comes up interesting. Okay, we're back, and we did get the pin and a set of reversal legs. So At this point, I'm not going to get too greedy. We do got, what, roughly 70, 75 pips. And it's not worth the risk of, now we're looking at possible pullback, and I don't want to risk my profit. So I think she's going to go, but you never know. Just don't want to take the chance. So that'll put a close to this video. If you want any more information, you can go to Day Trading Forex Live. We got a lot of free information there, and we will see you there. Take care.